somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. See you walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, wish on a star for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. When you come around, I get shy when I see you. When I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. I get nervous when you call, so I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know